You might have seen my video on filling nut slots with baking soda and superglue. If not, check the description box for a link. But did you know that this trick can come in handy on routing templates as well? Sometimes mistakes are inevitable, especially when working on the router table. And especially when tracing pick guards, which are made out of very soft ABS plastic, with only a thin beveled edge for the guide bearing on the router bit to ride along. If you push a little too hard against that thin beveled edge, the guide bearing can melt it away, causing the cutter to cut farther into the template than it should. Instead of starting the whole thing over again, simply take a scoop of baking soda. I use an earwax removal tool as a scoop. Drop it onto the low spot, spread it around a little if necessary, then apply a drop of superglue. You can do this straight from the bottle, or use a sewing pin, paper clip, or anything else with a good amount of surface tension that will work as an applicator. File or sand everything smooth and level, and your template is as good as new and ready to use on the router table. If you want to see more about making pick guards, including complete tutorials, check out my pick guard making playlist, which I'll provide a link to in the description box. I'm constantly updating all of my playlists with each new video I post, so stay tuned for more guitar tips and tricks you're not going to find anywhere else. Right here on Guitar MD.